Hey everybody, it's George here from Top Coat. Have you ever sprayed a chip repair and noticed the outer edges of the spray area are dry and grainy looking? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that using Top Coat's Fade In Edge Blender. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You notice the outer edges of the spray area? This is commonly referred to as a halo, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of it and blend it into the existing surface. Here's a chip that's just been repaired. I'm going to spray this chip using the pre-val spray system. And now I'm going to blend in the outer edge of the halo using Top Coat's Fade In Edge Blender. Hold the can 8 to 10 inches away and do several light, quick passes. When you're finished, you should have an edge that blends nicely in with the surrounding surface. For more information about Top Coat's Fade In Edge Blender, call us at 888-867-5683. Again, 888-867-5683. Or visit us on the web at www.topcoat.com. Again, www.topcoat.com. Thank you for watching.